Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachelle. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I talk about planning, fragrance, body care, and budgeting, and pretty much anything else that I want to talk about. If any of that seems like something you may be interested in, then go ahead and click on that subscribe button. But don't stop there. Be sure to turn on your notification bell and set it to all so that you don't miss whenever I upload a new video. If you are already a subscriber, thank you. You are greatly appreciated. So y'all, let's get right into this haul. All right, y'all. I have a huge Bath and Body Works haul. Now, all of these items were not purchased on the same day. They were purchased throughout the different weeks on the different sale days. So I've got 4 bags here. And we're gonna go through them as quickly as we possibly can because I gotta catch a flight. Okay, y'all, so this first bag here is, what are they called? Room sprays. So when Bath and Body Works had their room sprays, I want to say they were $5.95, I want to say. Room sprays last a long time. If you've ever used any of Bath & Body Works room sprays, you know that they are potent and they last. All you need is about 2 sprays in each room and you're good. So the first one I picked up is pumpkin pecan waffles. I'm not going to go over scents or anything, but y'all know what pumpkin pecan waffles are. I'm not going to go over notes and put it like that. I'm just going to let y'all know what I got. So I got pumpkin pecan waffles. Y'all know what that smells like. It comes back every year. It's a classic. I love it. So the next item I got is the champagne apple and honey. Again, this comes back every year as well. It smells delicious. Those 2 scents remind me of fall. And then I picked up, I want to say it was vampire blood. I've never had it before, but when I got it and I sprayed it, I really didn't like it. So what I did was, when I picked up the order, because this was a BOPUS order, a buy online, pick up in store. When I went to the store to pick up the order, I exchanged it for this new one here, the Vanilla Romance. And y'all, I typically don't buy room sprays and body care, but that's not true because I do buy room sprays and body care. I typically don't buy candles in the body care fragrances, but y'all, this smells really good. So this is Vanilla Romance. And that is it for the room spray sale. That's all I got was those 3 items. I want to say that they were less than $15. This next bag here is when Bath & Body Works had their minis on sale. I want to say that they were $2.95, and so that's what I got in this bag here. So let's go over this one really quick. So I picked up 2 of the travel size Vanilla Romances. I picked up 2 of the travel sizes of the Vanilla Romance Ultimate Hydration Body Creams. I also picked up 2 of the Vanilla Romance body sprays. I picked up 1 Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. And I initially ordered 2 of this one as well, but they canceled one of them out, and so I only have the 1. And this is the Vanilla Romance Mini Body Wash. And if y'all don't know, if you have not smelled this yet, y'all, this smells so good. It smells like, people are saying, or some people are saying that it reminds them of Bonfire Bash, or they think that this is a dupe for Bonfire Bash. I haven't smelled Bonfire Bash, so I cannot attest to that. But to me, the whole Vanilla Romance line reminds me of Wrapped in Vanilla. Not in the sense that it smells like Wrapped in Vanilla, but in the sense that this is a good seller. This is a good, grown-up, sexy vanilla fragrance. It's kind of like smoky, it's deep, it's dark, it's sexy. It's not a gourmand, not to me, it's not gourmand, but it's good. It's a sexy, vanilla, and it's good. So you have the Vanilla Romance and the travel size body wash. So that's everything from that sale. Okay, y'all, so this next bag here is a bag full of fine fragrance mist when Bath and Body Works had the fine fragrance mist for $5.95. So I bought these, and I bought it for $5.95, and I also had a 20% off coupon. So let's get right into this bag here. So y'all, this fragrance here, I'm not playing around because I missed out on Wrapped in Vanilla, and I had to buy it off of one of the discounters websites. This one here, I smelled it, I loved it, and I said, you know what? I'm getting it, and I'm getting however many I want, so that way when Bath and Body Works discontinue it, I'll still have some left in my collection. And I'm talking about the one and only, the Vanilla Romance. And so y'all, I got 2 body sprays or fine fragrance mists. I picked up one of the newest fine fragrance mist in the Wellness collection, and it's called Milk. So I got one of these. But I ended up paying for this full price because I did my order early in the morning. But there's always a glitch in the system right before, and this is what it seems like to me, right before be time to stop the sale, the site always glitches. But what I wanted to do was, when I went to the store to pick these up, I meant to let the sales associate know that I wanted to use a reward for this. So what I'm going to do is take this back, return it, and get it with my reward, so that way I can get it for free. So that's Milk. I picked up the Candy Apple Cauldron. Y'all, this smells really good. Really good. It's like this tart appley, it's a tart apple, sweet, sugary fragrance. It smells good. Y'all know I love me a good apple, so that's Candy Apple Cauldron. I don't know why I got this, because I already have one, but I tend to go through apple scents really quickly. So I picked up another Champagne Apple and Honey, and I do have this from last year's line as well, if it will focus. There we go. So I got the Champagne Apple and Honey. To me, this one this year, you can smell more of the apple note in this one. It's really good. So Champagne Apple and Honey. This is a new one to me. I've not smelled this one before, but I wanted to smell it because everybody keeps saying how good it is. So I said, you know what? Let me just get it. I'm talking about from the Wellness collection, the Honeycomb Fine Fragrance or Perfume Mist. I also picked up Ghoul Friend. I got this one because I like that strawberry note in here. So this is Ghoul Friend. I picked up another Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I do have this from last year. And when I was comparing these, and when I smelled this in store, I said, you know what? This one smells lighter than the one from last year. But since I love this packaging and I'm a sucker for the packaging, I picked up this new one here only because I know me, and when fall gets here, I will run through the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. So I picked this one up as a backup. I picked up another Pink Obsessed from the Everyday Luxuries collection line. And I think this is supposed to be a dupe for Valentino Donna Born and Roma. I picked up another Covered in Roses. This is supposed to be a dupe for Delina Exclusive, Delina La Rose, whichever Delina you want. It's supposed to be a dupe for, and it smells delightful. I'm not almost done. I was gonna say I'm almost done, but I'm not almost done with the one I have. I just have a dent in it already. This one is Covered in Roses. I picked up another Old Cherry from the Luxuries collection line. To me, this smells like Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. So, Old Cherry. And then I also picked up another Viva Vanilla. Now, I did a whole video reviewing the new Everyday Luxuries collection line. And I had all 10 of them. I have since took 2 back, and so I don't have all of them anymore. When I initially smelled this, people were saying that this smells like Kayali Vanilla 28. And I think in that video, now I haven't edited it and I haven't posted it. I don't know if I will or not. I'm not sure just yet. But to me, this does not smell like Kayali Vanilla 28. Some people were also saying it smelled like Erin Condren's Mod Vanilla. But to me, this smells exactly like Vanilla Vice's Snip. To me, this smells exactly like Sniff's Vanilla Vice. I mean, exactly like it. Spot on. Spot on is what this smells like. So I got another one. And then today, while I was in the store picking up another order, my candle order, because Bath & Body Works just had a candle sale for members appreciation, I went ahead and I picked up this milk, and I got it for free with my reward that I have. I have three rewards, and I picked this one up. So now I have 3 of these, and I don't know if I need 3 of these, so I may end up taking 1 back. I don't know just yet. I may just keep it because I already have it in my collection. But y'all, I picked this up. I got it for free using my reward. All right, that's everything from the $5.95 sale. I think it was $5.95. I think so. Okay, and so y'all, on the last bag, and this last bag here is from like the body care sale. It did not include everything. It was, the body care was $4.95. I also had a 20% off coupon. So remember that when I show you everything, because y'all, I've never bought anything full price at Bath & Body Works, okay? Never, not intentionally, okay? All right, what I did get is, did I get 2 or 3? I think I ended up getting 3 by accident. I have these Vanilla Romances here in the Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. Yeah, I love this line. I love this scent. I am going to also get the perfume as well. So I ordered this online, and in my cart, I think I ended up putting 3 in there. I wasn't trying to, so one of these may go back. I don't know. So y'all, I end up getting 3 of the Ultimate Hydration Body Creams. They may go back. And then I got 2 of the moisturizing body washes in the Vanilla Romance scent. And then I picked up the Vanilla Romance body wash. So now y'all, I have everything in the Vanilla Romance line except for the candle, and the body lotion. So I have the whole line. Okay, next up, I picked up 1 of the Milk Sensitive Skin Colloidal Oatmeal Moisturizing Body Wash. So I picked up 1 of those. I picked up another moisturizing body wash in the Cocoa Shea Honey fragrance. What I'm finding out is that I like the moisturizing body wash formulation. I love it. It's so moisturizing. But I have so many shower gels, I gotta use those up as well. I wish I would have known that before I bought all those shower gels. Okay, I picked up another moisturizing body wash in the scent Champagne Apple and Honey. Look at that packaging, y'all. I love it. And you know what? It doesn't take me as long to use up the moisturizing body wash compared to the shower gel. I think they call them the body washes now. I use these up much quicker. So that's a win-win. See, so here's what I'm talking about. I have another perfume mist from Milk, of Milk. I think this is the day the site was messing up or was glitching. Like I said, when it comes time for that clock to turn over and to turn off the sale, the site glitches, okay? And it seems like I have the most annoying time trying to order when it's closer to the site, the time for the sale to go off. But Like I said, I just bought it because I knew I could get my money back. I wasn't going to let it sit and me not purchase during this good sale. So I bought these items, and some of the items were ringing up full price. Oh, so I got the Milk Perfume Mist. Now, I heard somebody say that the hydration body creams were not on sale. When I was browsing the site, I saw some body creams for $4.95. But when I put those in my cart, it rung up, I want to say the regular price. But when I called customer service and told her that it did not ring up the right price, she just adjusted it for me. So I was thankful for that. I picked up the body lotion in the honey fragrance. There we go. So I have the body lotion in that. And then I have the body lotion in the milk fragrance. So I feel like I would just wear it because this is a light scent. What I'm thinking is I'm gonna wear this when it gets fall, just straight out of the shower, because this is a very comforting, soft, close to the skin scent. Out the shower, going to bed, you know, you're not trying to do too much, you're not trying to go to bed with a beast mode fragrance on. This will be perfect. Layering this with either the body wash or the moisturizing body wash, then this lotion, and then the perfume mist. So y'all, I am set. I am good to go. That's everything that I picked up from Bath and Body Works. I hope you all got a chance to shop the sales as well. Let me know down below. Did y'all shop the $4.95 body care sale? Did you shop the $5.95, what was it, fine fragrance mist sale? Let me know down below, and if you did, let me know what you got. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at JustRachelleW. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.